It is important to ensure that all individuals who are responsible for using the LIFELINE kit are present to view this video. However, this video does not cover any resus training requirements. Additional first aid training should be completed by any individuals administering the medical oxygen supplied in our LIFELINE kit. BOC's Emergency Resuscitation LIFELINE kit is contained in a purpose-made carry case. It contains a lightweight oxygen cylinder with an integral regulator and a selection of oxygen masks and other consumables. We provide a 12-month on-site service of the kit. The carry case has a transparent window to allow you to perform periodic checks of the cylinder contents. All consumables must be checked for expiry dates. If the cylinder is used and it requires replacing, we guarantee a next working day replacement. A medical oxygen sign should be situated on an external door so the location of the gas can be clearly identified in an emergency. Oxygen cylinders should be stored in a well-ventilated area away from any fire hazards. The kit contains an oxygen CD cylinder. This is a 460 litre cylinder which will supply 30 minutes of oxygen at 15 litres per minute, which conforms to the Resus Council guidelines. Oxygen signage, pocket mask, tubing, adult non-rebreathe mask, nitrile gloves and a clinical waste bag. Other masks and consumables are available. If you do have any other additional resus requirements, BOC can supply a range of different products and services like AEDs, pulse oximetry and first aid training to assist in your resuscitation requirements. In the next part of the video, we will demonstrate how to safely operate a medical oxygen CD cylinder. The integral valve cylinder has a pressure regulator permanently fitted as part of the cylinder package. This means that you do not have to make high pressure connections to get the gas out of the cylinder. There are two different outlet connections. One fitted with a fir tree type connector where you can fit a standard 6mm tubing. This connector is supplied from a variable flow selector giving flow rates up to 15 litres per minute. The other outlet is a UK standard Schrader connector that accepts a product-specific probe to obtain a 4-bar gas supply for feeding medical equipment. Remove the seal fitted over the valve hand wheel by pulling the tab. Discard this seal once removed. To connect tubing to the fir tree outlet, push the tubing firmly into place. To connect a probe to the Schrader outlet, push the probe into the Schrader and it should click as it engages. Open the cylinder valve slowly. Once turned on, check for leaks by listening for a hissing sound. If you suspect a leak, shut off the cylinder valve, remove the tubing or probe and recheck the equipment for any signs of damage. If after refitting you cannot rectify the leak, please follow our cylinder returns procedure detailed separately.